2 hours I am looking for the chimney cake with ice cream. Seriously, I found a few of them, but without the ice cream. And I've been told in here, yeah, I got it. A small shop in here. They sell chimney cake with ice cream. This street food you must try while you are in Budapest and in here. They call Moha chimney cake. It's so small shop, and they selling all type of the chimney cake. Where we are just in the city center of the Budapest. Can I have a small chimney cake with ice cream, please?
Ice cream, we have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry and caramel.
Give me vanilla, please, yeah. And they sell all fresh chimney cakes with them. A lot of different flavor as well. Oh, they have too many flavors. I got my a small chimney cake with ice cream. I paid 4,000. It's an expensive one, but I have no choice left. Let's try this one. You can see vanilla. There is a lot of sugar, and then we have ice cream, and what we have inside, it's empty. Seriously, they just put a small, this is the all ice cream I have. You can see inside empty, and this small ice cream with this small chimney cake, 4,000. I believe it's expensive one because I have tried many of them, and inside the city it's just a cost 1,000 FT, and with the small bed ice cream 4,000. It's super expensive. Nice tasty ice cream, so sweet. Now I have to try with chimney cake. Let's go like this. But it's delicious. Seriously, I like it. Just I don't like the pricing. Too expensive. If you are coming to Budapest, you must try chimney cake. Chimney cake, there is a lot of different flavor as well. I have tried vanilla, I have tried the chocolate, I have tried the cinnamon. I think it's the cinnamon. It's one of the best